My name is Meha Shah, and just a little bit about myself. I grew up in India, and in India my dad and his best friend used to play around with me in the pool. I was about 1 year old and my dad used to toss me around in the pool. My mom was sitting outside, worried and getting a heart attack about it, but it was okay because I turned out to be a swimmer. I started swimming since I was a little kid and I've never stopped. And I think this speech would be really beneficial to you in your personal aspect, especially because it's summer and you'll get to do some swimming and learn a little bit about it. So I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about different styles of swimming and just how to do them so you can practice them. These styles of swimming are actually really good because they help you improve your cardiovascular health. So just going a little bit into 3 different styles. So I'll be talking about the freestyle, I'll be talking about the backstroke, and I'll be talking about the breaststroke. So first let's talk about the freestyle. So the freestyle is also called the front crawl. So how you do that is by you lie down flat on your stomach and you put your hands forward and you just do this. Alright, while doing that motion, you also want to kick your feet up and down. So you do that simultaneously. Also, another thing you need to make sure you do is breathe evenly. So every time you're moving your hand, you want to make sure you're breathing. You don't want to be tired at the end of this, you just want to exercise. And this is actually provided by livestrong.com. This website is very useful for different exercises and sports, and it was published in April 2011. So let me just show you a picture of what freestyle really looks like. This is just a guy doing freestyle, and you can just see his arms bending just the right amount, and you can practice that actually when you do swimming. Okay? So now that you know about the most common style of swimming, let's go into a little bit more into a different style, the backstroke. So how you do the backstroke is you lie flat on your back, and when you lie flat on your back in the pool, you can see the entire sky. It's beautiful, right? So you lie flat on your back and then you just do a backwards freestyle. It's just on your back instead of on your stomach. So what you do is you put your hands like that, right? And then you kick your feet up, okay? But this is backwards. It's really just backwards. It's not really that complicated. With this one, it's very easy to do and it's not required that much effort. For Olympic swimmers, this style, you can actually rotate your body a little bit. That helps you maneuver through the water a little bit quicker. And this is actually provided by the Olympic swimming website and it was edited in 2013. So going a little bit into another style that's been used, and it is one of the most strenuous styles in swimming, is called the breaststroke. So in this website, in this style of swimming, actually what you do is you put your hands right here and you make a heart-shaped motion. So when you do that, you're actually pushing your body forward. And you're going to do this on your stomach, lying down on your stomach. You also want to push your feet back together. But mainly you want to make sure you push yourself up and use your arms to make heart-shaped motion. Just remember, breaststroke is with the breast. So this is the most strenuous one, and this information was provided by USA Swimming. So just a recap of what we talked about so far. We talked about the different styles of swimming and just how to do them. So the 3 different strokes we talked about was freestyle, the one with on your stomach, and just what everyone does. Okay? The backstroke, the one you lie down and just chill in the pool. And then the third one is the breaststroke, the one with the most exercise. So I hope you really learned something out of this speech, and hopefully you can use this tomorrow. Maybe talk to your friends, tell them, oh yeah, I know about this style of swimming. And then you can even show it and try it out. And hopefully this will help you exercise and just feel a little bit better about yourself. And hopefully you can have some fun. Thank you.